What's up, guys? It's Wilson here, and today I'm just making a quick video. Alright, it may not be quick. It's basically just me surviving through a big, or not really that big, but a rainstorm. You can barely even see. You can't even see the rain on camera, can you? And it's raining pretty hard, guys. Yeah, you can't really see, but hopefully the camera will get wet for proof. Hopefully you can hear it at least or something. But it's coming down pretty nice. Yeah, you can see it right there. This is wild, dude. This is weird. I've never been outside when it's like raining like this. There's some random really loud car that just went by. Yeah, as you can see, it's pouring the pooping rain. I'm gonna go in, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you are new, subscribe and I'll see you. Bye.